Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 10 is going to be vitamin K. Now, vitamin K is important because it helps wounds heal, and the different foods that are rich in vitamin K are going to be the following. Okay, lettuce, parsley, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, meats, eggs, and cereal. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. So make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, so for Fast 5 workout number 10, the following exercises will be included. Number 1, stationary skips. 2, walking lunges. 3, figure eights. And 4, jumping jacks. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll demonstrate those movements in just a moment. All right, so for exercise number 1, as I mentioned, it's gonna be stationary skips. So what you're gonna do, if you don't know how to skip, it's just simple. It's a hop and a pop. So you're gonna hop in place and pop your knee up, okay? So we're gonna do stationary skips. If you want, see how I am alternating my hands and my feet. So if my left hand goes up, my right foot comes up, and then I'm gonna switch. So think about that, just hop and pop at the same time, okay? Second, we're gonna do walking lunges. So I'm gonna go and start on my right side, your left, I believe. And I'm gonna go lunge, that's 1, 2, notice that my body is moving across. I'm gonna turn around, go 3, and then go back. Okay, alternating my legs. So that's walking lunges. The next one, we're gonna do figure eights. So we're gonna go on to our bottoms. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift your legs up about 6 inches off the ground, and you are gonna do an 8 with your feet. So it looks like this. So you're gonna draw an invisible 8 using your legs. All right, and our last and final exercise is gonna be jumping jacks. Now, if you don't know how to do a jumping jack, if your feet are together and your hands are at your side, when your legs are out, your hands are up, you guys can clap. Okay, you guys can make a heart, or you guys can just go straight up like this and then almost touch, okay? So rainbow, clap, or heart, completely up to you. So here we go. Again, legs go out, hands come up. I'll do heart, then back in. Legs go out, hands come up. I'll make a rainbow. And the last one, I'll do a clap. And back in, okay? Again, legs are together, your hands are at your side, okay? Remember that. So get ready for our Fast 5 workout number 10, and we'll get started in just a moment. All right, so here we go. We're gonna start with those stationary skips in place. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Stationary skips. Again, a hop and a pop. Remember to alternate your hands. If your right leg goes up, your left hand comes up. Left leg goes up, your right hand comes up. It's gonna help you get that rhythm. All right, let's go to those walking lunges. Go 1, 2, 3, and turn around. 1, 2, 3. Again, you almost want to touch the floor, but you don't want to bang your knee on the floor. Great job. Keep up the good work. Awesome job. Keep it up. Remember, I say, just finish. All right, let's go down. Grab those figure eights. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Get your legs up. Make that circle, 2 circles. Down, up, and around. On your feet. That's what all these Jumping jacks ready and go. As you're breathing, challenge yourself, see how many you can do, and then round 2 we're gonna do more. Get that heart pump. All right, 1 minute rest. Hope you guys enjoyed this Fast 5 workout. If you have not checked out Fast 5 1 through 9, highly recommend you do that. You're gonna have so many workouts that you can do with your friends and family at the end of the year. Round 2 coming up. Yeah, we're gonna start with those stationary skips. Here we go, 20 seconds. If you guys are enjoying the t-shirt, it's brand new. You guys can check out my Teespring site as well as my Redbubble site. And you guys can purchase your own P.E Spot gear or merch, okay? So, all proceeds go directly to anything that we might need for the workouts as well as the activities, all right? So here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Round 2, let's go. That's a hop and a pop. You want to challenge yourself, go on your toes. Don't let your back foot, your heel hit the floor. On your toes the whole time. Hop and a hop, a hop and a hop. Let's go. All right, those walking lunges, go. Number 3, turn around. So you go as low as you can. So you're seeing as a bend knee, as a bend. Remember, just finish. You got it, 30 seconds. You can do anything you can put your mind to. Just finish. Doing amazing. Good work. All right, going down. Figure 8. Starting at 3, 2, 1, go. We're gonna see how good you guys can draw your 8s with your legs. I bet a lot of you are like, oh, that's easy. Now that you guys are feeling it. You got it, come on. Just got this one and one more. All right, let's go. Jumping jacks. Finish it off, go. So you can get my score in jumping jacks. All right, you did a great job, my friends. If you can beat 25 jumping jacks in 30 seconds, you beat my score. Awesome job working out, completing the task at hand. And again, do some high five, pat yourself on the back. If you have somebody there, fist pump them. If not, here's the invisible fist pump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 10. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite exercise of the day and what was your most challenging exercise in the day and what exercises you would like to do on a Fast 5 workout. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you, and it is called Puzzle Dash. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. For this activity, you're only going to need a few items. So one is going to be a puzzle. Now, I have a bunch of puzzle pieces for one completed puzzle. Make sure you have a completed puzzle. I'm going to do 12 just for this demonstration, but my PE class, it'd be like 24, possibly 48, depending on the size of my class. But I'm just going to do 12 for this demonstration, and a bowl or something that the student's going to actually be able to grab from. So stay tuned and I'll go ahead and demonstrate this. You're going to have a starting line. That person's going to start at the blue line. You're going to run out, and you're going to grab one puzzle piece from your container. Once you grab your one piece, make sure you run back, and you're going to drop it off. Touch the line, go back, grab another puzzle piece, one, and then run back and drop it off. Now, students can figure this out. If you have a group of two, you can have one person running, dropping them off while the other person puts the puzzle together. Or if you have just yourself, you can time yourself and see how long it takes you to run, grab all the puzzle pieces, drop them off, and then put the puzzle together. So stay tuned, and I'm going to go and demonstrate this activity in just a moment. All right, going to start my puzzle dash in a moment. Getting ready in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, last puzzle piece. I'm gonna get down, and I'm gonna complete my puzzle. Good workout. Whew, I'm shaky. All right, so I just completed my puzzle dash in 1 minute and 48 seconds. So as you can see, I have a 12-piece puzzle. And again, my time, I completed it in 1 minute and 48 seconds. So Jordan's gonna give it a shot. He's gonna do the same thing. He has a different puzzle, so if you wanna change it up and have one person have a different puzzle than the other, or you guys, again, could just see how quickly you guys can do it in a given time. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, so Jordan's gonna start his puzzle dash in just a moment, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. As a reminder, tell your students or your kids that you can only grab one puzzle piece at a time, and they must drop it off before grabbing another one. All right, so Joan's gonna work on putting that puzzle together now. All right, so Jordan completed it in 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds. So this was Jordan's puzzle. If you have 2 players, what you could do is you could actually have them switch puzzles. So then if you wanted to do another round, I would do Jordan's and Jordan would do mine, and vice versa. So, well, we hope you enjoyed that activity of Puzzle Dash, and make sure you guys don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
Until next time, take care.